ang aking napupusuan. Kung sana tayo magkatuluyan, ikaw ang napupusuan. Daragat, ikaw na yan ang aking napupusuan. Di akalain magkagustuhan, ikaw ang napupusuan. Baka naman dahil ikaw na yan ang aking napupusuan. Ikaw ang napupusuan, napupusuan. Ikaw ang napupusuan. Daragat, ikaw na yan ang aking napupusuan. Di akalain magkagustuhan, ikaw ang napupusuan. Ikaw na yan ang aking napupusuan. Kung sana tayo magkatuluyan, ikaw ang napupusuan. Daragat, ikaw.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yan ang aking napupusuan. Kung sana tayo magkatuluyan, ikaw ang napupusuan. Daragat, ikaw na yan ang aking napupusuan. Di akalain magkagustuhan, ikaw ang napupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here. And we'll also be bringing out some eligible single ladies one by one. So, guys, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magmamatch kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo siya masyadong vibe, or hindi nyo siya masyadong type, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Woo! Let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woo! Hi! So, what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Ange and I'm 24 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I work as a credit operation in a fintech industry.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Actually, before my life revolves around work lang. Pero
Okay.
this past few months and weeks, I spend more time with myself. During my day offs, you can find me on pop-up events. I also like visiting cafes
Okay.
and some museums. Yun lang yung mga small hobbies and happiness ko.
Okay. Soft life, gano'n.
Yeah.
Okay, and ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng physical or personality traits?
I think someone who is taller than me, so
Okay.
physically, and emotionally stable, I guess.
Emotionally stable.
Important yun in these days. And
Okay.
I think lang naman, usually honesty, loyalty, yung mga typical lang din na hanap ng girls sa guys. Yun lang
Alright.
po.
Mga red flags naman or deal breakers para sa'yo?
Yung mga guys na pinagbabawalan magsuot ng some revealing clothes, I guess. Kasi I think we have rights na mga babae na suotin ko ano yung gusto nila. Yun lang naman.
So, not someone who controls
Yeah.
like your fashion sense,
Yeah.
ganon. Okay. Well, right now, wala pa namang nagpa-pop ng balloon. I would like you to choose one balloon to pop. Kailangan nakapost pa talaga isa.
Okay. Very...
Gabi. Yung balloon yung pinop, hindi na. Hi.
Hi.
So, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
Hi, my name is Adi. I'm 22. Part-time Nepo baby. No, I'm just kidding.
Full-time.
Full-time Nepo baby. But also, I am an underwriter. I work in the finance industry, fintech industry as well. So, yeah. What were the other questions? So, name, job, that's it?
Name, age, job, yeah? You're good, you're good. Okay, so sa end mo naman, bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Parang feeling ko older siya sa akin. So, which is hindi
Feeling mo
pala.
na-
Younger
sa
pala
height
siya.
ba? Or paano mo
Yeah,
nasabing
sa
older?
height.
O nasasaktan siya?
Sorry.
Do you have any response to that? Let's give him a moment. Let's give him
Over. No, it's
No
fine. No, it's
offense.
okay. It's fine. I'm okay with that. Maybe it's a sign that I'm just maybe I look more mature.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Emotionally mature, ganun. Ayaw mo. Is there anything that gave you that impression na parang older siya?
Height.
Height, okay. I thought you liked taller guys, no?
Pero, basta.
Basta. Basta. Okay. Anything else you want to add?
No, I'm good. I mean, thank you for the preferences. Thank you for the honesty then. So, yeah,
Yes.
nice meeting you.
You too.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So now I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
What your hobby or hobbies you would like to share or introduce to me?
I'm Gary Kojin. I'm 23 years old, and I'm actually a fresh graduate of tourism management. Actually, I'm an active person talaga. I like going to gym, and I like playing sports, hiking, swimming, volleyball, basketball. So if ever na mag-match man, gusto ko mag-hike and beach.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 25. I work in law enforcement, search and rescue, and disaster response. Lately, I've been getting into bachata, so parang Latin dance, partner dance.
Sample, 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 sample. Music, wala, makaka-copyright tayo niyan.
I'm JM. I'm 27 years old, pero emotionally more like 75. Sobrang emotionally mature ko kasi.
Okay. Lolo? Oh my God.
And then yung job ko, contractor ako.
May nagko-comment yata sa line ako. May gustong sabihin.
So hindi po ako nagnanakaw ng ibang bagay, pero yung puso, kayang-kaya kong nakabili. Ako lang to. And then, yung hobby ko is, I'm actually into running. So, I'd want to introduce that to you kasi minsan nakakasawa din na maganda lang yung view. Habang tumatakbo, gusto ko maganda rin yung kasama ko.
Ay, wow! Prepared! Okay, thank you so much.
I'm Darwin Granados, 23 years old, and I'm currently graduate Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Technology Livelihood Education. One of my hobby is to be perform. I'll be doing TV shows and also TV guesting, and I'm currently reviewing for the upcoming licensure examination. I think po yung quality time like singing po, ganun po.
Sample, sample, sample.
Okay. There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came.
Thank you so much. Woo! Let's give it up. Okay, and lastly,
Hello Ange, hello Marion. Ako si Ram, isa akong maniniyot.
paki-Google Translate pa. Ano po yun?
Joke lang, isa akong maniniyot sa pinakamalaking concept studio sa bansa. Galing ka dun, Miss Marion, pero wala ko nung araw na yan eh. In terms of sa pagpipicture, I think ako rin pinaka-ayoko yung sa chat lang eh. Mas gusto ko talaga harap-harapan eh. Kasi dun mo talaga makikilala yung isang tao kasi kapag sa chat, mga ano lang yan eh, pixel lang yan sa screen eh. Pero kapag nakausap mo talaga isang tao, makikita mo kung paano sila magsalita, kung paano sila mag-isip. Kaya siguro ma-apply ko yung pagpipicture sa kung lalabas tayo. Either ikaw kukunan ko or kukuntain mga litrato ng kung ano lang sa labas. Katawan lang.
Photo shoot. Okay, thank you so much. All right, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. And one more.
Then,
Bawal po itago yung balloon. Okay. Ay, okay, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
wala lang akong na-feel na connection. I think we're better on friends lang, ganun.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
No, respect.
Okay.
Ikaw ba, may na-feel ka na spark with her? Or type mo ba sana siya?
Ano lang.
Ba't no? Sumali ka sa dating show, sagutin mo to!
I need more time to get to know a person, but yeah, willing sana.
So type mo siya? Ay? Okay, pero set ka na dun sa decision mo.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Hi. So, bakit siya yung isa mo pang napili?
Feeling ko sobrang busy niyo na sa live since
Feeling mo lang?
since he's reviewing for licensure. So,
Okay.
and I value time in a relationship or partner. So, mag-focus ka muna sa goals mo in life and focus on your licensure exam. Good luck.
Sayang naman hinarana ka pa niya. Do you have any response to that?
Okay lang naman po. I respect the decision po.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So please ask another question.
Question is, what are your thoughts in privacy in a relationship? Like sharing social media accounts, phones, and other stuff.
Mga passwords.
Yeah.
ganun.
Ako, usually, I don't, for my past relationships, hindi ako nagaganyan. I don't exchange accounts. I think trust really matters sa isang relationship. And if you really trust a person, you wouldn't even think na mag-cheat siya. If mag-cheat, ako kasi naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na if mag-cheat kasi it's a decision to make. So, kung decision nyo mag-cheat, aday, go, kawalan niya rin.
Personally, ako, I don't agree with sharing passwords just because I think na pagka nasa relationship ka, it's important to still maintain yung individual identities ng tao. Pero if tayo nasa relationship, okay lang naman i-share ko yung password ko kasi wala akong itatago.
So exception siya.
Siyempre.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yung pagdating nga dun sa pag-share ng social media accounts, sa tingin ko nga isang malaking kalokohan yun. Kasi tungkol yung relasyon, tungkol sa tiwala yan, di ba? Kung mararamdaman mo kung isa bang katiwa-tiwala yung tao kapag nakakasama mo Kaya ako wala akong pakialam dun sa share ng password.
Thank you. Okay, so based on those answers or vibes, pumili ka ng isang balloon to pop.
Ay, na lang.
Surprise! Alright, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Noong una pa lang, sobrang extrovert niya pala.
Ayaw mo yun.
Parang mababurn out ako pag kasama ko siya. Kasi energy, since I'm living independently kasi, so I value my personal space at
Okay.
gusto ko tahimik lang.
So you're looking for a fellow introvert.
Yeah, introvert. Sorry, pero I think you're good naman. Hope you find a good one.
Okay. Do you have any response to that? Extrovert ka ba talaga?
Actually, nahihiya nga po ako magsalita ngayon kasi introvert ako.
Nahihiya ka pa sa lagay na yan.
Konti lang po.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Type na type sana po.
Final ka na doon? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. We heard a pop balloon over here. So what happened?
Sabi niya po kasi siya introvert na gusto niya yung may personal space po talaga. I mean, I have no against that naman po. It's just ako po kasi extrovert ako na person. And sometimes introvert din pero more on po ako makasalimuha or ganun. So if ever I want my girl to have that same din na okay lang siya maging extrovert din at that time.
Do you have any response to that? Or may exception ba siya? Or
No, it's fine
the rule?
naman. That's his opinion. I respect that.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Kinda.
Final ka na doon?
Ako final na po.
Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, well, we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Let's give him a round of applause. Okay, so before we proceed, I want to ask if you guys have any final questions for each other. How about from your end?
Siguro para sa akin, wala namang tanong talaga. Parang yung mga tanong na to medyo hollow pa, di ba? Pero para sa akin, presentable tingnan si Ange. Solid yung outfit. Ang ganda nga Ganda ng tattoo niya. Ay, ngayon lalabas yung tattoo. Maganda yung tattoo. Presentable tignan. Tsaka maayos siya magsalita.
How about you? Meron ka pa bang question for me?
Wala naman na getting to know, and I love the outfit as well. Ayun.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya? Hello po. Tao po. Ano? Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Posto, parang 30-minute break.
Oh, grabe. No, it's now or never. Getting to know lang naman if ever you do say yes. So, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Para sa akin, tingin ko gusto pa kita makilala.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yeah, likewise. I want to know you more.
Okay, we have a pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Ay, holding hands, guys. Okay, go ahead. Congratulations! Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hi, so what's your name? How old are you?
I'm Lauren. I'm 21 years old.
Okay, and anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm still a student, fourth year tourism student.
Tourism, okay. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Pag may free time ako, nagko-crochet ako. Tapos, nanonood akong One Piece.
One Piece. Specifically yung show na yun. Habang nagko-crochet. Okay, and ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng physical, personality?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Tall,
Joke.
dark, meron ba? Or...
Joke lang po.
O, nagko-compare na
Hindi,
sila.
May sense of humor.
Okay.
Tapos, confident, pero hindi mayabang.
Okay. How about mga deal breakers mo? Or para sa'yo red flag yung gantong personality traits?
Siguro yung mga rude sa staff or server.
Okay. All right. Well, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. I want you to choose one balloon to pop. Parang nag-window shop lagi pag ano, sa part na to.
Sorry.
Ikaw na naman? Yes. ano ba ano ba? Kinausap mo sila na ikaw talagang unahin.
Hindi na kami ako tumawala.
Okay, let's go over there.
I'm Addy, 22, working na ako, part-time nepo baby, but at the same time full-time yearner.
Okay.
No. I work in the finance industry, fintech industry ako.
So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Parang he looks old.
He looks old
For me.
For you? Anything same comment as the first round?
I've come to accept it na. I think next time I'm just gonna say I'm like 27 minimum.
Okay, yeah, just claim it, just claim it.
I'll accept the energy.
Ikaw na mag-adjust? Oo.
Naman talaga eh. I'm a gentleman like these guys. We adjust.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, pero ikaw, type mo ba sana siya?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you look very pretty. The dress is also very
Thank
nice
you.
on you. Sorry, ano yung name mo ulit?
Lauren.
Lauren, nice to meet you. Addy.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So please ask a question to help you figure out kung sino bang kamatch mo.
Anong mga icks nyo sa girls?
X. So parang red flags din.
I'm Kyle Cogene, and I'm a tourism student, graduate, and 20 years old.
Okay.
23 years old.
Bakit na yun? Short? Final na yun. Final na yun. Okay.
Final na.
Okay.
Ik siguro sobrang ma-post sa social media. Hindi sobra, I mean. Kasi, for example, may nasa isa kang cafe, kada cafe na pinupuntahan mo na binamayday mo kada minuto, ganun. So, that's kind of an ick talaga.
Hi, I'm Josh, 25. I work in law enforcement. Red flag would be probably someone that's not close with their dad or mom. Kasi important sa akin yung family, personally and sa magiging partner.
I'm JM. I'm 27 years old and I'm a contractor. Yung ex ko is I also don't like people who speak rudely to service workers, and I don't like women who can't communicate well. Because I think that when it comes to a good relationship, dapat you communicate, right? You talk about the things that you want to talk about. Pero if sa kanya, wala naman akong kahit anong gawin mo sa akin, okay lang.
Okay, so may exception ulit to the rule.
Pero okay lang if I pop my balloon.
Oh, you want to pop your balloon? Okay, yeah, go ahead. Okay, so what happened? What made you decide to do that?
I think she's really pretty. I think we'd vibe well kaso 27 na ako. Tapos she's graduating pa lang.
So yung age lang.
Yeah.
Pero type mo sana siya.
Yes po. Yes na yes po.
Okay. How about you? Type mo ba sana siya? Hindi. Oh.
Joke lang po pala. Hindi, joke.
Binawi. Bakit hindi mo siya type?
Older. Din sa
Older
akin.
din. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, and over here, your name, your age, and your job.
I am Win, 23 years old, and I am graduate of teacher education. I'm a model, and as well as I've been doing TV shows and TV guesting. One of the red flags sa girls is poor hygienic and without respect sa parents.
We still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left, so now I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop based on what you heard.
Sorry.
So, bakit siya napili may pop?
Kasi sabi niya, ayaw niya daw nang ma-post. Palagi ako nagpa-post.
Ano masasabi problema doon?
There are girls kasi na nagpo-post sa social media, as in Insta, yung kape. Tapos yung first story niya is kape. Tapos second story niya is yung kakainin niya. Tapos third story yung cafe mismo. Ayoko na ganun, siyempre.
Okay. Ganon ka ba?
Hindi naman. Parang everyday
Nagpo-post ka
lang.
na ng kape or?
Parang everyday lang, may post ako sa story. Ganun.
Ibig sabihin yung kada minuto nagpo-post, ganun, ng story. Yun naman ibig sabihin. Pero if ipop mo yung volume, so okay.
Tampo na siya. Pero hindi ka naman yung gano'n nagpo-post ng kung ano yung coffee na
hindi
ininom mo
naman.
or something like. Anong pinapost mo everyday?
TikTok ko.
TikTok mo? Ano yung mga dance? Mga lip
Hindi
sync?
naman, thirst trap, ganun.
Thirst trap? Ano? Kung thirst trap, okay ba sa'yo yun?
Ako rin ganun eh.
Oh, we have a +1 match! Joke. Ano, set ka na ba sa decision mo? Siya talaga yung pili mo i-pop? Oh, sayang. Pareho na lang yung nagta-thirst trap. Pwede ko yung as a couple mag-thirst trap. Or kailangan pa ba mag-thirst trap kung in a relationship na?
Sample muna, sample.
Sample daw ng thirst trap. Doon sa cam na yun. Doon sa cam na yun. Sige nga.
Hindi, puntahan nyo na lang yung social media ko. Yun lang.
Okay, so if you want to see some thirst traps, follow him on social media. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Sana short hair, tas tourism student pa. Pero okay lang.
Alright, well, thank you so much. May paiyak pa talaga. Parang may tears talaga eh. Okay, so we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them.
Let's see, what's the happiest childhood memory you have?
Wala eh.
Wala. Wala talaga. Kahit isa.
Siguro, nung nag-banding. Kasi minsan lang kami nagpa-family banding.
Saan ba sila? Yung...
Nasa bahay lang.
Anong ginagawa niyo pag nagpa-family bonding? Ano yung nung time na yun? Anong klaseng family bonding?
Parang amusement park.
Oh.
Mahilig din ako sa mga roller coaster, mga thrill ride, horror. Kung... share ko lang.
Sige.
Sige. Okay. Thank you so much.
Introvert person ka ba?
Hindi. Ambivert.
Okay, so ambivert. Okay ba sa'yo yung guy if may pagka-introvert minsan?
Oo, pero hindi, like, isang tanong ko, isang sagot.
Parang nonchalant. Okay.
Ganon ka ba?
May times po, pero I truly appreciate a woman po na merong emotional and intellectual intelligence po.
Right now, walang nag-pop sa kanilang dalawa, so the floor is yours. I would like you to choose 1 balloon to pop. Okay.
Sorry.
Bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Hindi ko type.
Hindi mo type. Okay. So, ba't mo nasabi yun? Like, what specifically? Yung mga sagot niya ba? Or over?
Physical.
Physical. Okay. Is there anything specific?
Wala naman.
Wala naman. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman po. Yun po.
Ikaw ba? Type mo ba sana siya?
Yes po, getting to know each other. May pace naman po siya.
Okay, pero set ka na dun sa decision mo? Okay. All right, well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. Yay! Okay, before we proceed, I want to ask if you guys have any final questions for each other. Ikaw?
Lauren, how have you stayed single like until now?
Di ba ako nagkaka-boyfriend?
Oh, it's hard to believe. It's like,
Okay, and how about you? Meron ka pa bang final question para sa kanya?
Wala.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
sure.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, you can pop his balloon if you want. So, bakit mo pinop yung balloon niya?
Gusto ko matangkad.
Oh, okay. Nag-walk out na lang. Akala ko eh. So, sa height. Okay. Pero other than that, type mo ba sana siya? Or...
Hindi.
Oh, okay. Ikaw, meron ka bang response doon?
No, it's okay.
Sorry.
Aura.
Alright, well, thank you so much. Unfortunately, we do not have a match for this round, but thank you for joining. Alright, thank you so much. Oh! Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hello, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Shi and I am 25 years old.
Okay, and ano naman job mo or what do you do for a living?
Nasa BPO industry po ako.
Okay, and ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Mahilig po ako mag-solo traveler.
Okay, like where? Ay, okay. Bawal po mag-travel, guys. So like where have you traveled or...
Alternate po kasi beach hike, beach hike.
okay.
Parang iniikot ko po yung Pilipinas.
Oh, nice. Okay, ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng physical or personality?
Ako po hindi kasi ako more on physical. Sa personality po kasi as long as nagtutugma kami, yung parang same po kami ng humor.
Okay.
Na ganun po.
How about mga red flags para sa'yo or deal breakers?
Red flag sa akin pag may kasalanan ka, tapos di ka marunong mag-sorry, tapos alam mo sa sarili mo na ikaw yung may kasalanan. Yun yung pinaka-red flag po sa akin.
Okay. All right. So right now, merong dalawa nag-pop sa ating lineup. So let's go over there and find out kung bakit.
I'm Kyle. I'm 23 years old and fresh graduate of tourism management. Kaya ako nag-pop kasi I heard that BPO industry. And yan yung, di ba, yung work from home?
No, on-site.
On-site kayo. So, yung parents ko kasi, ang work nila is parang gano'n na rin. Yung papa ko, virtual executive assistant, pero work from home sila parehas. And hindi ko gusto yung lifestyle na gano'n, yung sa lifestyle nila. Saka, kasi parang wala masyadong nangyayari sa kanila na yung paglabas-labas na sa labas, so gano'n. So parang ako nag-worry sa health nila. And kung sakali ako mismo, ayoko magkaroon ng partner na maging ganun kasi nakita ko na nga sa parents ko. So sa akin, parang hindi ko masyadong type na ganun.
Do you have any response to that? Or ano bang issue? It's that they work from home or just being in the BPO industry in general?
Akala ko po yung BPO niya is work from home. Pero yun po yung dahilan kung bakit.
Since on-site, does that change your mind at all? Or
BPO pa rin po. Hindi naman po ako, wala pa akong malas sa BPO. Maganda po yung job na yun and malaki din po yung kinikita nila. But at the same time, siguro po sa akin po, gusto ko po on-field, pares din sa akin. Kung sakali, ganun po.
may response ka ba sa sinabi niya?
Parang may narinig po kasi ako sinabi niya na parang walang nangyayari sa lifestyle. Parang hindi naman. Tama ba? Sabi mo walang...
Sa experience ko lang yun sa parents ko. Para ano kasi sila nakasan sa bahay lang lagi. Ganun. And ako yun yung nakita ko. So parang hindi ko masyadong sa ganun.
Ako po kasi, since ang experience niya kasi is work from home, ako kasi, since on-site ako, ang sabihin ko lang. Yung parang pag-feeling kasi nila, pag BPO, like something, ang daming issue, ganyan. Pero yung totoo, hindi naman, nasa tao rin talaga siya. Tapos, kung tutuusin, yung mga nasa BPO industry kasi is, magagaling sila. Yung tipong kahit hindi sila graduate ng IT, pero kaya nilang gawin yon pag nandun na sa trabaho ka na. Parang ganon. Parang kaya namin mag-all around. At kasi sabi niya nga, yung parents niya is work from home. On-site naman po ako. Kasi rin talaga yung sagot niya. Pero okay lang.
Okay. Do you have any comment on that?
I think she misunderstood lang po yung part na sa lifestyle. Kasi ako po first na experience ko po sa parents ko na yung lifestyle nila as a ganon, work from home. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na pare-parehas lang yung mga BPO. I'm just saying na I don't want to experience that type of katulad na sa parents ko. Yun lang.
Okay, and another pop balloon over here.
Hi, Adi, 22. I work in the finance industry, fintech more specifically. Seem like a really nice person. It's just maybe din sa lifestyle kasi ako I worked night shift before but then now lumipat na ako ng day shift and all that. But at the same time, mostly sa age lang talaga. But you seem like a really nice person. Sana one of these guys would be your hopeful tomorrow, hopeful future then.
Do you have any comment on what he said?
Eddie, don't.
Eddie, don't. Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
10%.
10%. Okay. All right. Any comment?
I'll take 10%, but okay na yun. Yeah.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your options.
What does love means to you?
Hi, I'm Josh, 25, law enforcement. To me, love is patient, love is kind. Ano siya, compromise, tsaka choice siya. Hindi naman all the time na mahal mo yung tao, kailangan piliin mo siya or alam mo, at the end of the day, kahit anong mangyari, kayo pa rin talaga. Tsaka willing ka mag-work. Yun yung love.
My name is JM, I'm 27, and I'm a contractor. Is it okay if I pop my balloon?
Go ahead. Okay, what happened?
I think she's really nice. I think she has a really pretty smile. Pero the whole getup is giving like baddie streetwear, ganon. Ako kasi parang mas prefer ko yung mga clean looks, mga Salcedo girly types.
Okay, specific ng Salcedo girly. So mas like good girl, artsy, ganon?
Yeah.
You have any comment on what he said?
Yeah, I think hindi mo pwedeng maging basihan yung damit ng isang babae. Kasi like, di ko naman sa sinasabi na kung marunong ka rumispeto, kahit anong suot niya, rerespetuhin mo. Kasi hindi talaga nakadepende yung damit ng isang tao.
Pero yung
Para sa
fashion sense mo ba laging bang baddie?
Hindi naman
So
po.
today lang, ganon?
Yes. Parang trip ko lang ngayon.
Okay. Any comment on what she said?
Yeah, for me naman, I really respect everyone. Hindi naman bad thing yung pagiging baddie. I think it's a really nice aesthetic. It's just not my preference, and considering na yun yung suot niya ngayon, it doesn't fit my preference.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya kung di siya nag-pop?
Hindi po, kasi narinig ko contractor siya.
So, generalize ba lahat? Pero nung hindi mo pa nalaman yun, type mo ba sana siya?
Siguro pag hindi rin kasi nagbabayad ako ng tax. Charis.
Okay, let's leave it at that.
I'm Darwin Leonardo Granados, 23 years old, and I graduated teacher education. I'm a model and I did TV shows and TV guesting. For me po, yung love po, it symbolizes to the start for the family po. If having a good relationship to your family, you will be converted to your future wife po someday.
Based on those answers, oh wait, actually, there are only 2 balloons left. Before I let you choose, sila naman ang magtatanong sa'yo ng question din to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for the may Miss Universe moment na nangyayari ngayon. Okay, so sila naman ang magtatanong ng question sa'yo.
What's the most spontaneous thing you've done lately?
Okay. Answer mo muna yung question niya and then we'll move on. Na-shock siya sa pag-pop ng balloon.
Galing ako ng work, tapos nag-book talaga ako ng papunta sa kung saan, like parang gusto ko lang mag-isip, tapos may pasok ako kinabukasan, tapos umuwi din ako agad.
Solo lang yun?
Kaya solo lang yun.
Ano yun, may bucket list ka ng mga gusto mong gawin? Or...
Wala akong list kung ano lang yung pagpumunta ako sa sa destination na yun, kung ano lang yung gusto kong gawin, yung gagawin ko.
Okay.
Okay. All right, you're gonna... Mamaya, may mangyari. More on that later. So, over here, ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Feeling ko po, hindi po magmamatch po yung personality po namin. Like, nakikita ko po sa kanya na very strong personality. And I'm an introvert person po.
Do you have any response to that?
I think tama naman siya. Strong talaga yung personality ko. And then, siguro dahil sobrang extrovert ko rin talaga.
Okay.
So, okay lang.
Ano bang hanap mo? Mas introverted? Mas chill?
Yes po, yung ano lang po, low-key lang po, gano'n.
Okay, so since we have 1 balloon left, please join us over here. All right, so before we proceed, meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other? How about from your end? Meron pa ba?
Wala na po.
Okay, how about you? Meron ka pa bang final question?
Wala naman na po.
Wala naman na. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Siya na lang po muna sinatro.
Na-trauma ka na? Okay, na-trauma siya sa last round, so it's gonna come from you. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Okay lang naman po.
Okay, and sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sige.
Okay, we have a pusuan match! Alright, so please take each other's hand and go up if you're happily ever after. Yeah! And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan!
Puso, puso na tayo